Hello friends, welcome to SAM Biology class. Eukaryotic cells can adopt a variety of shapes. They also can carry out coordinated and directed movements. This becomes possible due to the presence of cytoskeleton which extends throughout the cytoplasm. The cytoskeleton, also known as cytomusculature, is a complex, dynamic network of interlinking protein filaments present in the cytoplasm of all cells including those of bacteria and archaea. Today we shall discuss about the eukaryotic cytoskeleton. In eukaryotes, the cytoskeleton extends from nucleus to the cell membrane. It is composed of similar proteins in various organisms. The main components of the eukaryotic cytoskeletons are microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. The cytoskeleton has multitude of functions. Its primary role is to give the cell its shape and mechanical resistance to deformation. Through association with extracellular connective tissue and other cells, it stabilizes the entire tissue. The cytoskeleton can also contract, thereby deforming the cells. It also allows the cells to migrate on a surface. The cytoskeleton is involved in many cell signaling pathways and in the uptake of extracellular materials. They are also vital in the segregation of chromosomes during cell division. It also acts as scaffold to organize cells' content in space. Moreover, the cytoskeleton forms specialized structures such as cilia and flagella. Now we shall discuss about the individual component. One of the main components of the eukaryotic cytoskeleton is microtubules. With rare exceptions such as the human erythrocytes, microtubules are found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells, either free in the cytoplasm or forming part of specialized structures such as cilia, flagella and centrioles. Unlike intermediate filaments, which consist of a variety of different fibrous proteins, microtubules are composed of a single type of globular protein called tubulin. Like actin filaments, microtubules are dynamic structures that can undergo continual assembly and disassembly within the cell. And also like actin filaments, they are polar structure having a fast growing plus end and a slow growing minus end. Microtubules are hollow cylinders, and each microtubule can be as long as 50 micrometer and as wide as 23 to 27 nanometer. The internal diameter is between 11 and 15 nanometer. Most commonly, a microtubule consists of 13 protofilaments. 13 protofilaments are assembled around a hollow core to form a tubular structure that we call as microtubule. Protofilaments are the polymers of tubulin heterodimers. A tubulin heterodimer includes one alpha tubulin and one beta tubulin. So tubulin heterodimers are polymerized in a head-to-tail manner to form a filament-like structure known as protofilament. 13 such protofilaments are arranged in a parallel manner around a hollow core to form a cylindrical structure known as microtubule. Microtubules play an important role in a number of cellular processes. They are involved in maintaining the structure of the cell. Along with microfilament and intermediate filament, they form the eukaryotic cytoskeleton. Microtubules form the internal part of specialized structures such as cilia and flagella. They provide the platform for intracellular transport and are involved in intracellular macromolecular assemblies. Microtubules are involved in cell division. They are the main constituent of mitotic spindle, which are used to pull eukaryotic chromosomes apart during cell division. Another main component of the eukaryotic cytoskeleton is microfilaments. Like microtubules, microfilaments are also dynamic structure and consist of a single type of protein called actin. Hence, microfilaments are also called as actin filaments. Each actin monomer has about 375 amino acids. Microfilaments are thin flexible fibers having a diameter of about 7 nanometer. They can be about several micrometers in length. Each microfilament consists of two intertwined strands of actin. In the filament, each actin monomer has two tight binding sites with the help of which the actin monomer interact with two other monomers in a head-to-tail manner to form the actin filaments. Within the cell, actin filaments are organized into higher order structures that include bundles or three-dimensional network. The third principal component of the eukaryotic cytoskeleton is intermediate filaments. Unlike microtubules and microfilaments, intermediate filaments consist of a variety of different fibrous proteins. More than 50 intermediate filament proteins have been identified and classified into 6 different groups, out of which type 1 and 2 include keratins. Type 3 intermediate filament proteins include vimentin and desmin. Type 4 are neurofilament proteins, and type 5 intermediate filament proteins include nuclear lamins. So all the three components of the cytoskeleton, such as microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments, are associated in specific manner to perform various roles. So friends, this is all about eukaryotic cytoskeleton. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.